Section 1. Cosmic Whispers. AI listens to the universe. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders that we are only beginning to understand. For centuries, we have relied on telescopes and other instruments to observe the cosmos. Now, a new tool is emerging: artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is revolutionizing the way we explore space. It is helping us to make sense of the vast amounts of data that are being collected by our telescopes and probes. AI is also enabling us to automate many of the tasks that are essential for space exploration. One of the most exciting applications of AI in space exploration is in the field of space news reporting. AI can be used to analyze data from telescopes and other instruments to identify new and interesting events in the cosmos. It can also be used to track the progress of ongoing missions, such as the James Webb Space Telescope. This information can then be used to generate news stories that are both informative and engaging. AI can also help us to personalize space news. It can learn about our individual interests and preferences. Then, it can tailor news stories that are relevant to us. Section 2. AI's Cosmic News Desk. AI is already being used to report on space news. For example, the Planetary Society uses AI to generate news stories about the latest discoveries from NASA's Mars rovers. The AI system is able to analyze images and data from the rovers to identify new and interesting features. Then it can write short news stories about these features. These stories are then published on the Planetary Society's website and social media channels. AI is also being used by news organizations to report on space weather. Space weather refers to the conditions in space that can affect Earth. For example, solar flares can disrupt communications and navigation systems. AI can be used to track solar flares and other space weather events. It can also be used to predict the impact of these events on Earth. This information can then be used to generate news stories that warn the public about potential hazards. In the future, AI is likely to play an even greater role in reporting on space news. AI systems will become more sophisticated and capable of analyzing more complex data. They will also be able to generate more engaging and informative news stories. As a result, AI will help to make space news more accessible and relevant to the general public. Section 3. Deciphering the Cosmos AI as Cosmic Linguist. AI is not only transforming how we receive space news, but also how we understand the universe itself. Think of the universe as speaking a complex language written in the patterns of stars, the whispers of gravitational waves, and the compositions of distant atmospheres. AI is becoming our cosmic linguist, able to decipher these subtle signals and translate them into knowledge we can comprehend. One way AI achieves this is through its prowess in data analysis. Telescopes and probes are constantly gathering immense amounts of data from space. This data, ranging from the spectrum of light emitted by stars to the faint echoes of gravitational waves, holds clues about the nature of black holes, the birth of stars, and the potential for life on other planets. AI excels in sifting through this sea of information, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. It can identify new planets by detecting the subtle dimming of a star's light as a planet passes in front of it, or uncover hidden galaxies by analyzing the faint distortions of light caused by gravitational lensing. AI is essentially becoming a cosmic detective, piecing together clues from the vast cosmic data set to unravel the mysteries of the universe.